Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see saved password in Google Chrome. So firstly, go to Google Chrome, then click on three dot icon which is top right corner. Click on this, and you'll find here. Scroll down, and you'll find here settings. Click on settings. Now you have to go to this autofill and password. This option, the second option. Click on this, and you'll find here Google Password Manager. Click on this Google Password Manager, and you can see all of your passwords is here saved here. If you want to see the password, you have to click on this specific thing, and you have to click on this show password. Okay, so this is how you can see password. Sometimes it may ask you to unlock your computer password first. I mean your computer lock password. You have to unlock this one, and then you can see the all of password by clicking on this. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.